Today we found a forgotten 1953 Mercedes-Benz 170VB and we're pulling it out right now. No long talk, no delay, cash is done. This Mercedes is coming with us today. The Jungle Garage, untouched for decades. This 1953 Mercedes, a lost treasure. We have to bring her back. All right, come on, just a little more. There we go, easy now. Nice, she's moving. All right, hook secure, give it a steady pull. Engine on, easy. That's it, slow and steady. After a long journey, the 170VB is finally here. We have a lot of work ahead of us to bring it back to life. Okay, that looks perfectly aligned. Starting the lift now. The 1953 Mercedes-Benz 170VB. We've got it raised on the lift to perform an initial inspection. All right, 1 down, 3 to go. Heavy beast. There it is, look at that dirt. All right, these are the original 170VB hubcaps. Lots of deep oxidation and wear, but definitely salvageable. Look at this detail here. This 1953 Mercedes 170VB represents a real challenge. Let's see what we're dealing with under here.
The engine block is caked in thick grime, rust on the brackets, dirt under every seam. She needs a full mechanical overhaul.
All right, that clamp is off. Just need to break this seal. That's it, moving the hoses now. Time to lift it out. All right, that should hold. Let's start the lift. Take it easy. Keep it steady. Slowly. Easy there, boss. Perfect. Take it over to the stand. All right, we're taking a look at this 1953 Mercedes. Time to get that rear bumper off and see what's underneath. Just as I thought, some hidden corrosion we'll need to address. You can see where the old paint stops and the original color begins. Yeah, quite a difference after all these years. You can see where we've removed the door handles, mirrors, and all the chrome. Just the mounting holes and cleaner paint beneath remain. All right, seals are out. Look at that rust right there. Time for the next one. A little solvent should help loosen these old seals. All right, decades of dirt here. Carefully now. There we go, got it. All right, that's the last bolt on this side. Let's see what we've got under here. Wow, that's a lot of rust and dirt. The task ahead is daunting. But first, we have to look at what we're dealing with under here. These fenders were hiding a lot of corrosion and mud. The heart of the restoration often lies beneath the surface, revealing layers of history and wear. We're looking at... All right, off the hinges. Careful now. Got it. And there it is. Look at this lining. Definitely some moisture in here. The front and rear seats have been removed from this 1953 Mercedes, revealing rust-speckled seat mounts and decades of trapped dirt. All right, let's take a look at what we've got in here. Definitely needs some work. With the column out, you can see exactly where the original firewall mounting points were. We'll need to address this chipped paint here. All right, time to flush out this cabin. Years of debris, mouse nests, and insulation dust. Look at that grime go.
Packing this tight in the arch seams is crucial. We need to fill every crevice around the suspension.
Looks like it's holding well. Good work. All right, let's get this floor pan spotless. All right, time to tackle this trunk. Years of neglect, but we'll get it looking pristine. Just need to get this dirt lifting. This tab is notoriously tricky. We use this cleaner here, really gets into the seam. Wait for the dwell time, then wipe. The degreaser needs a minute to soak. It's breaking down years of oil and dirt. Now, we scrub it clean. Okay, here are the suspension arms from the 53. We'll start with a detailed rinse to see what's underneath all this grime. That's decades of history washing right down the drain. This car is finally breathing again. You can see the grime lifting right off the paint. Look at that depth. Yeah. Just the beginning of the transformation. Okay, here we go.
Oh, no.
That's it, exposing the springs.
Yeah.
Needs a good scrub to finish it. The dashboard components of the 53 Mercedes. Freshly washed, revealing that aged chrome shine. You can see the wear on this old harness. But the good news is, we've got the perfect replacement ready to go. All right, so this is a 53 Mercedes trunk lid. We're going to clean the underside to reveal the original geometry.
So guys, going start on the click.
The humidity is perfect here. It's pulling the moisture from every corner. Yeah. It'll be completely dry and ready to go in just a moment. Under harsh light, we see the true state of the metal. Yeah. These repair scars and pinholes need After the strip down and clean, it's just raw metal. She's ready for the next phase. This 53 is a beauty. The carbon buildup here is substantial, indicating significant wear. These worn gasket edges are a critical You can see the heavy varnish on this piston and connecting rod.
Yeah.
Definitely some wear on the skirt here. We'll need to check the ring grooves carefully. Perfectly lapped. Now for the assembly.
The heart of the 170VB, resurfaced and ready.
Beautiful precision. The fuel pump has been fully restored and these new lines are ready. Now, on to the 170VB. This is the original gearbox from the 53 Mercedes-Benz. You can see the wear on these gears and the thickness of the lubricant.
The differential components are cleaned, inspected and set for reassembly.
Excellent work. Everything looks pristine and ready to go back in. All right, time to install these new bushings. Excellent. The heart of the brake system, rebuilt to perfection. The linings, springs, and cylinders, all restored to factory spec. All right, let's get this rusty section out of the way. Looks like it's holding strong, mate. Just need to get this piece aligned. Excellent penetration on that rocker panel.
Yeah.
That's a solid, seamless repair, exactly what we're looking for.
Yeah.
Ready for primer.
The art of shaping steel lies in patience and precision. We're bringing back the original grace of these lines.
All right, let's take this slow, find the right tension.
Yeah.
There, it's starting to move now, nice and easy.
Yeah.
Just a little more pressure. Perfect. You've got to follow the curve of the body here, make sure the filler matches the original lines of this Mercedes. That's the key to a proper restoration.
The 53 Mercedes body shell is ready. Time for the first coat of primer.
Almost there. That's some good work. The door is now perfectly aligned, matching the original specifications exactly. The alignment on this hood is perfect, just like the factory specs. Exactly. Look at these gaps. Now, let's check the trunk.
Temenes. The seam sealer is crucial for preserving the longevity of this 53 Mercedes. Every joint must be filled even.
Time to get this beast protected for another 70 years. All right, perfect. Stop right there. After months of meticulous work, the 53 Mercedes is finally ready. Just look at that finish. This 53 Mercedes is ready for its close-up. Look at that reflection.
The heart of the restoration. Perfectly rebuilt headlights with gleaming chrome and clear lenses, ready for assembly. The wheels, painted to match the car's character, sit perfectly beside the restored chrome and new narrow white walls.
Precision is key. See how it aligns? Just like new. Perfect. Perfect alignment. Just need to secure these ends. Yep. Excellent work. That loom is pristine. This is it, the heart of the 1953 Mercedes-Benz 170VB. Freshly rebuilt and ready to breathe again.
After years of meticulous work, the heart of this 1953 Mercedes is finally ready to return to its home.
Okay, nice and easy. That's good. Hold it there. A little bit more to the left. Perfect. Lower it in now. Perfect fit. The mounts are solid and the driveline is aligned.
Yeah.
Just need to torque these down properly, then we're golden. All right, steady it up.
Got it, boss.
Perfect fit. Tighten that.
Done.
Nice. Now let's get that rubber on. All right, that's the last one. Just perfect. It feels good to have her standing on her own four wheels again. The fenders are finally reinstalled. The gaps are perfect.
Right.
Excellent work, boss. All right, headlights first. Got them lined up, and the bumper goes on. Looks perfect. All right, let's get this perfectly seated. Just right. And that's solid.
The heart of the car returns to its home. Beautiful, isn't it? Perfect. Pure elegance. The dashboard of this 53 Mercedes has been completely rebuilt.
Yeah.
Look at the restored gauges, the crisp glass.
All right, alignment looks good. Time to lock it down. And there we have it. Steering wheel back in place.
Time for the final touch. The tailored, period-correct carpet. The stitching is flawless. Yes, the period style is perfect.
All right, door card and handle back where they belong. Just needs one more turn. The trunk is finished. Perfect period correct lining and trim, ready for the final stages. All right, that's everything in place now. Perfect.
Brake fluid is topped off and the system is bled.
Now to prime the fuel before our final check. There she is. Perfect. Amazing work, John. All right, just finishing up the last detail on the 170VB. She's looking perfect.
And there she is, ready for the first drive.
This is it, the 1953 Mercedes-Benz 170VB, restored to its original glory. An absolute masterpiece.
Every detail on this 1953 Mercedes-Benz speaks of a painstaking restoration. The paint, its grille, its...
Every line, every detail, just right. The forest green looks perfect.
Perfection. Every piece exactly where it should be. Ready for the road. If you want more real restorations like this, stay with the channel and watch the next build. Subscribe, and let's bring another forgotten classic back to life.